He's always kind of putting everyone before him. Like, he's gone above and beyond. He's switched shifts. I think a lot of people within our organization look up to Mikey. He's a very data-driven person, and so he's able to use red zone and make decisions very quickly.
I like being able to see in real time how each line is running. I don't have to be right there babysitting them to see how they do.
I would say almost 100% of the time he's making the right decision, but it's because of that tool, right? He leads by example.